In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the search engine to Bing on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar and then go down and select where it says Settings near the top. And then you want to select the Search tab. Where it says Search Engine, click the drop down and select where it says Bing. You may also want to use this in private browsing mode as well. Please note this does not change the home page. This is merely just the search engine in the address bar. And then once you're done, just close out of here, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.